Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience, so your mileage may vary. Today we're taking a look at TaxAct, specifically their self-employed filing options, which you can find at taxact.com/self-employed. I've been using this program for a while and want to share my thoughts on it. Navigating self-employment taxes can be tricky, so I'm hoping this will help those of you who are freelancers, independent contractors, or small business owners. The TaxAct self-employed version offers a comprehensive suite of tools to handle the complexities of 1099 income and related expenses. It's designed to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you maximize your deductions and minimize your tax liability. From what I've seen, it's a pretty user-friendly platform, even if you're not a tax expert. One of the things I appreciate about TaxAct is the level of support they offer. They have resources available to answer your questions, whether through their online FAQs, helpful articles, or even direct contact with tax professionals. This can be incredibly valuable, especially when dealing with the nuances of self-employment taxes. Now, while TaxAct boasts accuracy guarantees and maximum refund pledges, remember to always double-check your entries and consult with a tax professional if you have any uncertainties. No software can replace the advice of a qualified expert. In my experience, TaxAct has been a valuable tool in managing my self-employment taxes. It streamlines the process, helps identify potential deductions I might have missed, and provides peace of mind knowing I'm filing accurately. The interface is straightforward and the guidance provided is helpful. If you're interested in learning more about TaxAct's self-employed offering, be sure to check out the link in the description below. I highly recommend exploring their website and seeing if it's the right fit for your specific needs. It's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly tax filing solution. Also, don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences. And as always, thanks for watching Rome Tips.